I'm still using natural light. My face looked this red because I just filmed a video using the Milani Bake Blurring Finishing Powder, and the shade is 180 Deep. So if you want to see that video, please take a look at it. It's already up on YouTube. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. If you're new here, my name is V. Thanks for stopping by. Please remember to hype this video and share it with someone else. I am trying to get to my watch time hours. Every time I'm that close, for some reason, YouTube always have a problem. So if you can watch more than one video, I would appreciate it very much. I thank you in advance. This first color is a navy blue. And I use a big fluffy brush to put it. And I just fluff the rest up into the brow bone like this. So it looks lighter in the brow bone but darker everywhere else. Like this. There's a nice little brown shimmer in here. So I'm putting it on the lids. I did not put glitter glue down. I'm just going to put the shade over some of the blue that I have down. I'm still doing this makeup in natural light. I have not put on my studio light in a while. So when you're watching this, this is all natural because now I'm like in front of this big window, so I'm like taking opportunity. So if the light is going on and off, the brightness or darkness coming through that video, it is because it is natural light. Today's I am is I will. And remember, will stands for something you're going to take action. I will try as hard as I can to have some movement in my day. I will try as hard as I can to have some movement in my day. That is today's I am. Let me finish up this eye look and come back so we can see what everything looks like, including the powder. I used 2 shades. I am in natural light. I know this blue looks green, but this is the blue I have on. I have this navy blue, but because I had a red base, it changed the color. This is today's look. I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you shortly. Bye.